Well, I'm going to try to get started on my old door. I got to remove the chicken wire. I'm going to put chicken wire back on it, but somebody used a piece that didn't fit. So that's my plans to get started on the door. I forgot to let y'all know where I got this door. I got it quite a while ago, and I showed it in a video, and it's probably been a year and a half, 2 years ago. My husband was working on a job and replacing some stuff, and they were going to throw that old door out, and he knew it was rusty, crusty, and I would like it, so he brought it home to me. So now I'm going to make maybe a few things or one thing to go on it right now, but I'll be adding more to it later. All right, I do have the chicken wire replaced on the door, and I have it leaned up where I want it. And now I'm just trying to figure out what I want to put on it and how. All right, these two old pieces of wood is what I'm going to work with now. And I am going to, I was trying to figure out whether I want to stencil it on with, cut out my vinyl with a silhouette and stencil it on, or use my laser and cut out individual letters and put them on there. And I thought, well, I'm wanting it to look old, so I'm going to stencil it. And what I'm going to put on it is Sweet Land of Liberty. So right now I'm going to take, and I've got it set up, I've got it ready to cut in my Silhouette software. I'm going to send it to my Cameo and cut it out. And while that's cutting, I'm going to find the color that I'm going to use on my boards. All right, I have decided to go with the True Burgundy again by Folk Art. I am liking that color for patriotic stuff. It's kind of a burn red. It's not a bright red. But we're just going to I'm not wanting to give it full coverage. More in the middle, of course. Yeah. And I'll do both pieces of wood like this. And my stencil's already finished cutting. And I have it all weeded and ready to go. Just need to let this dry. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm going to finish the next one, and then we'll put the stencil on. It's all dry, and I'm ready to start stenciling it on. And if you're wanting to know, the font on this is, what was it? D as in dog, T as in toy, and C as in cat, Barn Acre. Yeah, DTC Barn Acre. Because I know when I do a lot of these, I always get asked what font I use. So that is it. I'm going to put that over that way. And I need to pounce that off. I don't want to get it too thick, then it bleeds. And I'll just go over this like this, and I'll probably do it twice. And when I get it finished and get ready to pull it off, I'll come back. Well, I have it finished as far as stenciling. Now let's see if it bled. That looks pretty good. So I'll take these few pieces out here, and then I'll pull my of Liberty here, and I'll do the same with it. All right, both of them are finished, and when I pulled the vinyl up, I noticed it was pulling up some of the red, or the barn red, and I really like that. It makes it look really old. But I need to distress the letters a little bit. That one probably needs to dry a little longer. So I am going to distress my letters just a little bit. Go this way, and then I'll go the other way. And then I'll do the other one the same way. And I'm going to take, and I should have done that before I painted it or anything, but I didn't. I need to drill holes because I am going to attach them together with some wire. So I'll need a hole here, 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 and here. And then up here I'll need some because I'll put the hanger on that. I like this where it's sanded back better than this one. I'm going to do this one the same way now. Alright, I started working on putting the wire on, and I realized I didn't seal this with anything. So I've got out the Minwax Special Dark. It's a finishing paste, and I'm going over it with that. I like how it still tones down the white. And I still have to, I have my holes drilled, but I still have to put the wire between here and here. And I have some stars that I don't know if I'm going to use. I don't know. I was thinking about doing it like that. I'm going to wait till I get it waxed and the wires on it and see if I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish waxing these two and then wire these together and then figure out what I'm going to do. I have to go look inside the box. She just got out of it. Well, I might as well go see if she laid an egg. I don't know how she gets in here and gets out. I don't have a clue. Because all the rest of them are just waiting to get in here. Yep, there's an egg. Well, while I'm taking an intermission from my project and showed you the chickens, I want to show you a hutch that I am going to be working on later. I have the paint ordered. I got the hutch from my daughter-in-law, and I am going to be making it over in a future video. Well, here's the sign I made, and I did add the stars to it, and I've put it on the old door, and we screwed the door down up here so it wouldn't get blown over. And I did replace, as you know, the chicken wire. And then I went out in the garage and I got this old table that we got at that house that I got a bunch of stuff from. Oh, by the way, my husband brought the door to me about it over a year ago. He was somewhere working. It was in the old barn and they were throwing it out. He saved it for me. And I did show that in a video one time, but I don't know which video it was. But anyways, this was an old table that was in that house, and the back leg, as you can see back there, that blue, that was part of that baby bed that I found that I got the spindles all off from, and my husband fixed it to where it could be on the, okay. Anyways, my husband fixed it where it could be the fourth leg, and now it stands up fine. I wish I had the leg. I would really redo this table over. It's old and cute. And we put that heavy brick on there to hold it down to keep the wind from getting in. And I really doubt the birdhouse stays in place. And I do have some plans to fix some stuff to go on the table. It looks old, but it's in front of an old door. It works. And then I do want something, I think like right here, maybe a banner of some type. And then up at the top, I need something up there too. So I am not finished with it. So I've started on it, and the sign's what I worked on today, and this is where I put it.